real sushi. That's so nice.
Hey, I got a confession. Been losing all momentum. Just because it's easy, but that don't make it better. I wanna dig my hands deep down in the dirt. Take a walk along the street if I'm feeling dessert. All of this convenience just doesn't work for me. I wanna play with fire, let me get hurt.
So today's your birthday?
Yes.
What'd you do today?
Today specifically, or just my birthday in general so far? Went swimming in the ocean. Won in mini golf. Well, okay, Amanda's saying because she got the most hole-in-ones.
There it is. Oh, I got that.
But on the 18th, it was all tied up. We were all 9 under.
Oh, robbed. Puts me at -8. What? That's it. What? Oh.
Played one last hole, and Grant went, parred it. Amanda went, parred it. Clay went, hole-in-one. So, I won at mini golf. I've been winning in all the card games we played. I've been winning in spike ball. I mean, what else could you want?
So you had some birthday good luck, huh?
Birthday talent.
Oh, okay.
I'm getting older, which means I'm getting wiser, which means I'm getting more athletic, which means I win more things.
Right, your logic is infallible.
I ate a live fish. I call this catch and eat. Everyone throw $5 to eat one of these small fish, so we gotta do it.
It is so sweet under the sun, and even if my pocket's empty, I don't really want
Did you see it, Amanda? Second. It's very much so alive. This is real sushi.
How much are you doing this for?
How much did I get? 30?
30 bucks.
20?
50.
50 bucks.
He's gonna help you out.
Ready?
Are you gonna chew it?
Yeah, I'll chew it. They said I have to chew it.
Okay.
Oh, it's spiked.
Spiked?
Yeah, it's spiked. You have to eat the spike?
No, probably shouldn't. I'm definitely not gonna kiss you until you brush your teeth.
I feel like I'm gonna gag. Gotta keep it down.
I don't have to keep it down.
You got it.
feet. Oh no, it is so sweet under the sun, and even if my pocket's empty, I don't really wanna go to work.
Flavor doesn't go away.
It is so sweet under
Was
the
it
sun.
worth the 50
I'm
bucks?
gonna take my time.
Yeah, it's worth it.
'Cause I don't really wanna go to work. And I'm hearing all these wonderful voices in my head. I'm singing and
Okay, I think that's it.
oh, miss the summers with you and never swipe left to right. I snuck in your window, no friend request, no, just spent the night. I had to walk right up to your locker and risk you saying, boy, just don't bother. I know this all just makes me sound ancient, but sons and daughters.
28 years ago, you became a dad. Any regrets?
No regrets.
28 years ago, you became mom. Any regrets?
No regrets, but it was very painful when you broke my tailbone.
Marriage 3 years.
No.
Can we take it back to 95?